Hello, my name is Laura Zaro, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney at Zaro Law. One of the first things that I explain to new clients, once I determined that they would benefit from filing bankruptcy, is whether they qualify for a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. Some major differences between a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13 are the length of time that you're in the bankruptcy and whether you have to pay back any of your creditors. So first there's a Chapter 7, which is pretty short. It's only about 3 to 4 months from start to finish, and it generally wipes out your unsecured debt, which is credit card bills, medical bills, collections, personal loans. All of that is generally wiped out in a Chapter 7. Then there's a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is basically a 3 to 5 year payment plan where you make a monthly payment to a bankruptcy trustee that goes to pay back a portion of your creditors. And then whatever debt is not paid at the end of 3 to 5 years is wiped out in the bankruptcy. So to determine if somebody qualifies for a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, there are two major things that I look at, and that is their income and their assets. So first I look at their income, and basically if somebody makes below a certain amount of money based on their household size, they generally qualify for a Chapter 7. However, if their income is above a certain amount of money, they generally need to file a Chapter 13 and again pay back some of their creditors. The other thing I look at is the assets that they have, and that's things like a home, car, really big things like that. And basically in a bankruptcy, there is a certain amount of property that we can protect, and if we're able to protect everything, then somebody generally qualifies for a Chapter 7. However, if somebody has an asset like a house with $100,000 of equity, they generally would not qualify for a Chapter 7, and we need to file a Chapter 13 and pay back some of their creditors. That's just an overview of the major differences between a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13. What somebody qualifies for depends on a number of different factors, so the best thing to do is call our office to see which chapter of bankruptcy you qualify for.